Hello followers, welcome to the second and last video of this lovely Skyline. Before the video starts, please make sure you are a subscriber of the channel to not miss any other uploads. Before anything, I have started by removing all the parts from the sprues, attach them to some coffee stirrers and organize them to start painting. As on the last video, I have used white surfacer from splash paints. After a nice and smooth coat, all the parts were ready for being painted in the final colors. Moving to the interior, as some of you already saw on my Instagram, and if you didn't, the link is in the description, I didn't wanted a black boring interior, so I thought about creating a bright style pattern for the seats. Made a few different shades of grey to achieve that, but in the end I think it looked really good. If you don't know or you never done it, Tamiya acrylic colors can be used in the airbrush. I use a mixed ratio of 2:1 with Tamiya acrylic thinner, but it will depend on the pressure and nozzle size of your airbrush, so give it a couple tries until you find the correct mix ratio for your airbrush. After all the grey shadows applied, it was time for semi-gloss black in the seats and later flat black for all the interior. With all the paint dry, I applied some PVA glue on the interior floor to create a carpet look with some flocking, and then started to glue all the interior parts together. PVA glue takes a good hour sometimes to dry, so don't rush. Do everything carefully or just wait until the carpet is really glued in. Moving to the undercarriage of this Nissan, I used once again splash paints, but this time I went for Super Silver to paint the exhaust system. With a black base it really gives a good silver effect, perfect to start applying some burnt iron blue and burnt iron to give a more real look. With all the paint applied, was then time to start to put all the remaining parts together, and with this, completing the model. I really enjoyed to build this model and loved the results of splash paints. Hope you all liked the video, a new project will be coming soon.